In this session, I will publish the book in French on Amazon KDP. So if you are bored at this point of the class because you already saw how to publish a book on Amazon KDP, you can jump to the following session. There is just a few different things that you need to do in this part, especially in the section about the AI. It's just basically translating here, but I will go in Create. I will go in Paperback. I'm gonna start by selecting French. And then you see here, I go in the edition of my book in English. I can go back and edit. The only thing I cannot change when I go back here, it's the book title and the subtitle and the name of the author. But I can edit all the rest, okay? So I will select this. I will go in Bard and I will ask translate in perfect French. And I will do that for all the rest. So indulgence reads, I will do here, same here for this sentence. And you can do the same in Spanish, Italian, German, etc. I will keep the same name and last name and translate the description. I go very quickly here because it's just translation. You have several suggestions here. I go for the first one. I think this is too long. Here. Publishing rights are on the copyrights. Primary audience, sexually explicit images, no. Marketplace, FR, France. Obviously, if you select, if you publish in Spain, you use Amazon Spain, etc. Regarding the categories, so you see they are in French, so you need to use Bard or DeepL to know where to publish, okay? So here, I will go in Santé, Forme and Diététique. Diététique again. Diététique. Special Diet Cookbooks. Diabétique et sans sucre. And perte de poids, which is weight loss. And I will add another category. Cuisine et vin, which is cooking and wine. Desserts. I will save categories. And then the keywords, I will go back in my English version and I will translate the keywords. Another option could be to go in Amazon France and see here the competition to select keywords, but I will translate my keywords in English to French. Okay. And you keep translating here. Okay, so you understand how to do it. I will go faster here. Then the publication date and release date are the same time. We don't touch this, and the release date is today. Okay, but you can schedule your book release. save and continue. Then here you assign a free ISBN. And here, same as before, I select standard color. Remember that you have to get at least 72 pages. If you have less than 72 pages, you need to select black and white. And I will keep the same size, 8 by 10 inches. I will select bleed and matte. You can choose glossy, for example, if you are doing a book for kids, for little girls. And I upload my PDF in French, of course. And I will do the same for the cover. Then I arrive in the AI generated content here. So did you use AI tools in creating text, images, and or translations? I will select yes here, and for the text I will select entire work with extensive editing because we used translator tools to edit our text. I will use Google Bard here, images, many AI generated images with minimal or no editing. I will keep DALL-E. And the difference with the previous publishing that we did together in English is that we will select translation. DeepL, Google Bard. And I will launch Previewer. So we have our book in French here. And I will approve. And at the end of the page, I have the price of printing, and I will save and continue. I will have to select the price here for the French marketplace, okay? So the big difference with the US is that in France you will have a tax, okay? So if I put 9, for example, you will see that the final price will be 9.50 and you have 56 cents of royalties. I will put a higher price. If I put 11, you see that the final price is 11.60. So I will put 11.30. So you need to adjust to get the price that you want because there is the tax. So I will put the price 11.90 and I will get less than 2 euros of royalties. And I select also Canada because you have the French speaking part of Canada. And I will put, for example, 18 and there is no tax. So I will get $3.46 and I will publish my paperback book. So I see you in the next session.